BIM 360 is a popular construction project management software. But before you make a purchase, there are a few things you need to know to decide if it's the right fit for your business. In this video, we'll break down 12 important points to consider when evaluating BIM 360 against its competitors. Let's dive right in. First thing, it's important to understand that BIM 360 is designed to streamline the design and construction process. It offers cloud-based project management, but it's not the only one. There are competitors like Procore and Buildertrend, which also provide similar solutions, but with slightly different features. Next thing, BIM 360's ease of use can vary depending on the team's familiarity with construction software. While it's intuitive for some, others may find it a bit overwhelming. Competitors like Buildertrend are often praised for their user-friendly interface, which might be a better option for teams new to construction software. The third thing is integration with other tools. BIM 360 integrates well with Autodesk products, but if your company relies on other tools, such as Google Drive or Microsoft Teams, you may find its integration options a bit limiting. Competitors like Procore tend to offer more flexible integration options, which could be a deciding factor if you need seamless connections across different platforms. The fourth thing to note is pricing. BIM 360 operates on a subscription-based model, and while it can be cost-effective for smaller teams, larger teams may find the costs add up quickly. In comparison, Procore and Buildertrend offer customizable pricing plans, so you can choose one that fits your company's needs and budget more effectively. Next thing, collaboration features are a big part of BIM 360. The software offers a strong set of tools for project teams to collaborate, but it can be hard to manage in larger teams or complex projects. On the other hand, Procore is known for its collaborative features and user permissions, making it easier to manage access for different team members. The sixth thing is customer support. BIM 360 offers robust support, but response times can vary, and the quality of support sometimes depends on your subscription level. Competitors like Buildertrend are praised for their responsive customer service, offering more personalized support even on their lower-tier plans. The seventh thing is the mobile experience. BIM 360 does offer a mobile app, but some users report that it's not as polished as other apps on the market. If a seamless mobile experience is critical to your business, competitors like Buildertrend have stronger mobile platforms. Next thing, document management is where BIM 360 excels. With its strong version control and ability to manage design documents and drawings, it provides a solid solution for tracking project changes. However, for teams that rely heavily on document management, Procore's document management system offers more customization options and features like automated workflows. The ninth thing to consider is scalability. BIM 360 is a great tool for small to medium-sized teams, but larger organizations may find that it lacks the scalability offered by Procore, which is better suited for enterprise-level construction management. The 10th thing is project tracking and reporting. BIM 360 provides essential project tracking tools, but it may not offer as deep reporting capabilities as Procore. For those needing advanced reporting and analytics, Procore could be a better solution with its more comprehensive reporting tools. Next thing, security features. BIM 360 offers solid security, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, which keeps your data safe. However, Procore offers additional security options, including customizable user roles and permissions, which might be a better fit for companies that require more granular control. The 12th thing is customer reviews. While BIM 360 has many positive reviews, especially in the construction industry, there are some reports about its steep learning curve and occasional frustrations with the interface. Competitors like Buildertrend, on the other hand, have a more positive reputation for simplicity and ease of use. To wrap up, BIM 360 is a solid choice for construction project management, especially if your team is already using Autodesk products. It's powerful, but depending on your needs, alternatives like Procore or Buildertrend might offer better flexibility, usability, and scalability. If you're still unsure, consider our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see how it compares.